ito ang aking 8 months sari gift dahil hindi ako nakapag-gift ng first month sari natin. So ito na yung gift ko. Sana magustuhan mo. Game,
for
Harana.
gift for
First month sari.
for
First month sari. Ito na.
what name? What name?
Ikaw maingay! Ah! Shit ka!
Shit ka rin, Dash. You're such a loser. Si Daryl Colandig yung mukhang gago.
Wisit ka!
Wala na, pangit na yung video. Corny mo.
Sulo ah! Kami lang! Kagalalayo!
Para kanino, pre? Kanino ka nakatingin? What's her name? Daryl. Tumatawa si Dash, tangang puta.
Bakit ba?
I will upload this on YouTube, you moron.
Dito ka naman, sa board ka.
Ito mo ko yan dito.
Oh. Hey, don't you have anything to say for Camille?
It's a great idea, you know?
I will upload this later, you know?
Camille, may meaning yun. Sinasabi siya sa'yo. Tignan mo. Pwede pala mga bago ba?
Ilan to? Ano ako syota mo? Doon ka kay Nathan magpabili. Bahala ka.
Next na.
Wabag yun na ba yan? Kamilitan na siya.
Hey, don't you have anything to say for Camille?
Ha? Itong aking guri-gurin. aking sorry, gift. Chocolates. Tatlong chocolates. Si Kuya Nick pabili yan.
Shh! Quiet.
This is it. So,
What's that?
ayan. Yes na.
Pengi Camille.
Pwede ko.
What will you say to her?
Love you very much and sana
Come closer.
Ano, sana hindi na siya napapaganda sabihin. Basta do everything for you and ano, I will always love you.
Wala kang girl?
I will always love you. Ha?
Walang third
Wala,
party?
wala. Siya lang
Are you
yung
sure? Wala ka ibang crush?
Wala.
Sino si Sino si Robert Pare?
Thank you very much.
Can you say anything about Arman? Can you act something for format?
Ano? Something?
Format.
Something?
Act something format. Like the RB part. Say goodbye now. This is Camille Adams. And the singer is Daryl Colanding.
Oh, yung daya!
And this one wearing blue
Bakit si Camille lang?
is Dash.
Uy, kami, pengi rin ako dyan.
Canada sa Villanueva. What? What are you saying? You gave the chocolate to her and you're
Oo,
asking.
pengi rin ako dyan. Di pwedeng hindi.
Wow, you're such a loser boyfriend. Say goodbye now.
Bye-bye.